A new way of van life. Peeping Toms everywhere. Look at that. It's sexy. It's cute. It's colourful. And it's outrageously tasty. This is Valentine.
Oh, I think I must fart. Yeah, sleeping 69.
Yeah.
It's hot in here.
Yeah, it's perfect. Yeah. That's what the new way of van life is all about. Always being prepared for the unexpected. Mind you, that's the way we like it. Nice and soggy.
Let's talk about sex. Let's talk about you and me. Let's talk about all the good things.
All the good things naturally help me be. Oh God. Look at that. This is our little diesel user. The external version. She's up and running. And it's fantastic. So for the people who are on a small budget, cannot afford replacing the diesel heater in a van or placing it, this is the cheapest way you can imagine. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.